everybody, my name is Olga. Today is August 1st. This is Colorado Springs, spring rhythm. So we talked today about resisted release. So can I ask you, Amber? So we used the exercise when the follower was sitting, like just giving me some weight and go back. We were sitting, like we used our chairs and we lengthening our arms with some resistance to let her go down. So this is a resisted release. I'm releasing my arm by creating some resistance. I'm not just lengthening my arm with no resistance. So then we did a whip, behind the back whip. So it looks like 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you do 5, 6, 7, 8. And here is a resisted release happens on 3 and 4 also. So leaders, 1, 2. Even from here, I already start to compress a little bit this way. She continues to go, and I lengthening my right arm with some resistance. Let's do one more time. 7, 8. So 1, 2. I resisted release. From here, we did a basic exit, like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Or we can, we did some options for the followers. So followers, you can bow your 5, staying on your right, or you can bow your 5 by transferring on your left. So can you do right first, then left here. 7, 8, you do 1, 2, you do 3 and 4, you do 5, 6, 7, 8, and then on the left, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, something like this. It's okay. One of the options might be, so you're a leader right now. You're leading. So one of the options might be like hooking behind. So from bowing position, so you do like 5, 5 and 6, 7, 8. For example, it might work. Or you can actually stay and play with the rib cage. So you can do 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are many options. I just gave you 2. Yeah. Same thing, but so this is for you folks. Same idea. So then we did it right for the leaders. So 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4. You do 5, 6 and woo. And then from here, I don't know, close position. 3, 4, 5,